The word for today. I have made myself a slave to everyone. 1 Corinthians 9:19. Whether you're applying for a job, trying to win someone to Jesus, counseling and advising, or correcting someone's behavior, to be effective, you must look for common ground. Let's look at some of the qualities that calls for. Availability. Paul writes, I have made myself a slave to everyone, to win as many as possible. 1 Corinthians 9:19. Establishing areas of common interest takes time. It also takes effort. It's been reported that today a typical business executive has an on-the-job attention span of 6 minutes. In 6 minutes, a person can hardly get his or her feet on the ground, much less find common ground. Identifying areas you can agree on calls for empathy and a willingness to listen to what the other person has to say. In her book, How to Talk So People Listen, Sonya Hamlin reports that most people find this challenging because of the me first factor. She writes, listening requires giving up our favorite human pastime, involvement in ourselves and our own self-interest. It's our primary, entirely human focus, and it's where our motivation to do anything comes from. With this as a base, can you see what a problem is created when we're asked to listen to someone else? So, what's the solution? First of all, it's essential to acknowledge and answer two of the listener's instinctive unspoken questions, which are, why should I listen to you? What's in it for me if I let you in? Anytime you're willing to listen to people and figure out how what you're offering meets their needs, you are halfway towards your goal of finding common ground. That is the word for today.